Satellite crossing the starry sky with a hand down in the tube hole. The tube sleep play go loop, hold wire, hold chains, hold chains, hold chains, weeds and trains, and blue, red and silver, siren horn.
Hello and welcome to one of the most recognisable venues in world football, the Estadio Santiago Bernabeu here in Madrid. I'm Derek Ray and delighted to have Stuart Robson sharing commentary duties with me. And what we have for you is the first game in a best-of-5 series. It's Real Madrid up against Manchester United.
Well, I can't wait for this series to start. Hopefully it goes all the way and we see 5 very close matches.
And the starting 11 for Real Madrid. Carvajal starts with Ferland Mendy in the fullback positions. Eduardo Camavinga starts with Toni Kroos in the centre of midfield. And it's 2 strikers up front who'll look to provide the goal-scoring threat. The team Manchester United will go with. Luke Shaw starts with Aaron Wan-Bissaka in the fullback positions. Bruno Fernandes plays with Casemiro in the centre of the pitch. And the centrepiece of the attack is Marcus Rashford. And so the battle commences. Lisandro Martinez. Sancho now. Mount. And a tidy tackle. Rodrigo, attacking possibilities for Real. In with a chance. Oh, he stopped it.
Well, I thought that would be a goal, but what a save. Great reactions.
And fired over by Kroos. Well, capable of a better clearance than that. Just can't get it past him. Marcus Rashford. Sancho. And he's broken free. Oh, masterful defending to prevent what looked like a certain goal. Camavinga. That's useful play. Rodrigo. A really top-notch piece of defending. Sancho. Given away by Manchester United. Real find themselves in a position of menace. Opportunity here, and pure instinct from the keeper.
Well, a top-class reaction from a top-class goalkeeper. Brilliant stuff. Has eyes for goal. A smart stop here. Well, the crowd are driving their team on here. They're surely going to score soon.
Corner kick delivery from Toni Kroos. You can't really head them any better than that, but the goalkeeper was up to the task. Just too much height on that one. Close shave, though. Mount. Taken away, he won the ball. A real opening now. Crucial block from Varane. Still possibilities. Rashford. Real Madrid regaining possession. And Bellingham. Well, it could be on for him here. Oh, a magical piece of goalkeeping.
Well, he's just pulled off a great save there. Such good reactions. It really is.
Kroos with the corner. Brilliantly blocked. And gobbled up with ease by the keeper. The timing was perfect. Ball one. So plenty of forward momentum from Real Madrid here. Oh, this looks useful. Must take the lead here. Oh, he's been denied. And they remain locked together.
Well, that's a good save, but really he should have scored from there. That's a big chance.
So the corner played into the box. And turned onto the woodwork. Well, he wasn't messing around with the clearance. Can he find the right pass? He's in behind. A goal! 1-0. A fully deserved advantage based on what we've seen.
Well, here's the replay. Watch how he goes past his man with such ease, and it's just a change of pace. And once he gets onto it, he just smashes it past the keeper with great technique. What an emphatic finish that is.
Well, the ball is moving once more. How important will that opening goal prove to be? Jadon Sancho. And the challenge halts them in their tracks. Valverde. Can he finish this? Well, no work for the keeper when all was said and done. Sancho. Mount. The referee has decided that 2 additional minutes are in order. And the upshot of that is offside.
Well, he needed to look elsewhere because the flag was always going to go up.
Carvajal. And that is that. Half-time here on the spot. And the match begins. moving again. Real have the lead, but they won't be taking anything for granted. He's in here. Well, that was the chance to extend their lead.
Well, that's a waste, really. He's got to hit the target there.
Now, what's the keeper playing at? Oh, a goal! They've taken full advantage of a dreadful mistake by the goalkeeper.
Well, here it is again, and there's no getting away from it. It's a big blunder. He's just got that all wrong, hasn't he? Well, there's a man who knows his team have been really good today. Just what Ancelotti would have wanted.
And the ball is moving again. 2-0 is how it stands. Casemiro. And he stopped them in their tracks. It looks promising, but nothing comes of it. Kroos. Toni Kroos. Looked like a certain goal, but that's a great challenge. Well, the counter chance looks very real. Could really get at the opposition. Nicely timed tackle. I think most defenders would expect to be put halting an attack in that fashion. Well, the referee not messing about. He's cautioned him.
Well, it had to be a yellow card, and he knew it was coming.
And a foul in the opinion of the referee. Now, what can they do from this free kick situation? Oh, he'll take it on. Not the worst free kick in the world, but the goalkeeper equal to it. Playing it in. It's still alive. And a time for cool heads. And Bellingham. Determined defending. Anthony. Now with Rashford. And Real with the ball again. Oh, the threat is there. Teammate available. Rashford unable to hold it. Ball lost by United once more. Jude Bellingham. That's a good pass. He's in behind the defence here. A goal! He's dispatched it, much to the sheer delight of the fans.
Well, just look at his movement. He knows exactly how to find space, and it's also a tidy finish. That's a nice goal.
Rafael Varane. And Rashford. And Valverde. Now, who can he play it to? Well, nothing comes of it. It looked promising. Bellingham. Making progress. Will he find the net? Well, trying the chip, but he got the execution all wrong.
Well, if he had the chance again, I think he'd choose another option. Not even close in the end.
Bruno Fernandes has it. And a strong tackle. Force. A real opening now. Well, fantastic reflex action from the goalkeeper. Pretty comfortable piece of defending. Now, can they hit them on the counter? Oh, in with a chance. Oh, how about that for a chip? Savour it. Pure brilliance.
Well, let's look at this again, Derek, because the transition when the ball changes hands is so quick, and the finish showed great composure, just to lift it over the goalkeeper. That's a lovely goal.
So back underway, 3-1 the score. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Oh, what an opportunity. He had work to do, the goalkeeper. And that is the end of the game. It goes into the books as a win for Real Madrid. What did you think of their overall performance?
Well, Derek, it was fairly comfortable in the end because they were tactically superior, had better individuals, and were always a threat going forward. It was a really good performance and a good result as well.
Strawberry jam girl sees Mickey Mouse in the window. I get up, I look, and it's only my reflection, connection. Look up a t-shirt, see Mickey's face in the window. The glass, the two of us listening to the soft tones. I'm talking, reaching out to your telephone. Are you listening? Can you hear? Do you hear? Show me how it feels when we're no longer alone. So why don't you let go? We're no longer alone. So why don't you let go? Kiss the animal with telephone.
And here we are at one of the great venues for football anywhere in the world, Old Trafford in Manchester. My name is Derek Ray, and I'm joined for commentary by the former Arsenal and West Ham player Stuart Robson. And what we have coming up for you is best-of-5 series action. It's Manchester United, and they take on Real Madrid.
Well, thanks, Derek. There's a lot on this game, and it could be really important in the 5-match series. So I'm just hoping for a good game today.
This is the team Manchester United will go with. Aaron Wan-Bissaka starts alongside Luke Shaw as fullbacks. Mason Mount starts with Casemiro in the centre of the pitch. And the responsibility of leading the line today goes to Marcus Rashford. And the starting 11 for Real Madrid. Carvajal starts with Ferland Mendy in the fullback positions. Eduardo Camavinga starts with Toni Kroos in the centre of the park. And the story in attack is one of a strike partnership. And the match is underway. It is a decent-looking attack here. Great opportunity. And a goal! Not bad for starters. They take an early lead.
Well, here we can see just how good this goal is. It has everything. Skill, pace and power. There was no stopping him there. Well, just look at his reaction. That could prove to be a massive goal for his team.
So the match has restarted. 1-0 here. Anthony. Bruno Fernandes has it. Marcus Rashford. Well, there was impending danger, but good defending. Oh, goalkeeper blunder. And the verdict of the referee is penalty. She's pointed to the spot. Now can they square the game? Well, he's avoided a booking, but the complaints continue.
And I can understand why. I think it's a poor foul. It should be a yellow card for me.
And now to level the game. And in it goes, as coolly as you like. Never in any doubt from the spot.
Well, here's the replay, and the goalkeeper dives early, and that's why he goes straight down the middle. What a good penalty. Watch the goalkeeper all the way. Excellent.
So underway again, following the goal that made things level. Really good attacking play. Can he put them in front? Oh no, he's missed the opportunity. And they remain level.
Well, he just lacked composure there, didn't he? They should be ahead now.
Lisandro Martinez. Marcus Rashford. Went in strongly to win the ball. More than decent miss from United. Rashford! Oh, fine stop. Federico Valverde. And now Rodrigo. Can they do something positive on the counter-attack? Rodrigo, and the goalkeeper has outdone himself with that save. Played over, and the danger's still on. Cross fired over. Just wanted to get it out of there. Good-looking sequence. Well, a poor ball and easy for the keeper. Showing a real will to win the ball. But it wasn't a taxing save. Here's Wan-Bissaka. Good use of advantage in United's favour. Marcus Rashford. Counter-attacking possibilities. Well, an example of a counter-attack that went nowhere. Alaba failed to hold it. ideas on the passing front. Oh, that's magnificent goalkeeping. And now we find out it was offside anyway. And Real Madrid have the ball again. Valverde. Cutting the ball back. Reading it well. Well, it just petered out. What can he do with it now? A real opening now. Well, a case of being clean through. Now, will she produce the red card? And it was always going to be crystal clear for the referee in terms of the decision.
Well, he had to make a tackle, didn't he? Unfortunately, it wasn't a good one. Well, he might not like the red card, but he's got to get his team to calm down here, Ancelotti.
And the goal, almost bewitching in its beauty. Excellent technique. So there we have it, 2-1. And he might be through here. Oh, and there's the goal that we're looking for. They're doing this the hard way, down as they are to 10. Anthony. Bruno Fernandes has it. Vinicius Junior. Rodrigo. Well, nothing productive, really. Chance maybe to use their counter-attacking ability to good effect. He knew he had to make the tackle, and did. And that will do it for the first half here. It is a decent-looking attack. The second 45 minutes then here at Old Trafford. And Real's creative tendencies coming to the fore. A fine reading of the situation. Cross. Rashford. Can they hit on the break? And almost the ideal counter-attack, but no reward in the end.
Well, breathtaking football, but not the finish to match.
Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. Valverde. And it took a little nick before it went over the touchline. So a throw in here. Marcus Rashford. Committed challenge. Rodrigo. Mendy must take the lead here. Oh, a challenge of the highest order. Well, we have 30 minutes to go. Playing advantage here. United keep it. Well, there's the pullback. Well, it goes down as an opportunity squandered. Not that the goalkeeper is complaining.
Well, I have to say, that's a poor effort from a very good position. He should be scoring there.
And ably dealt with. Another corner, hot on the heels of the last one.
Well, this is a big moment, and don't these fans know it?
Clearance wasn't decisive. Decides to shoot. He's blocked it. Well, they might be able to launch a counter-attack. Will it be sufficiently imaginative? Could go ahead. Oh, vital piece of last-ditch defending. Is this the moment? And a goal! Down to 10, but don't write them off just yet. 1-0.
Well, I have to say, he's done really well here. He's in the right place and then a decent finish. That's a good goal.
Underway again, and we're being treated to plenty of goals. 3-2 at the moment. "20 minutes to go. And support available. Well, it could be on for him here. And top-notch as well as brave goalkeeping.
Well, he comes off his line at just the right time. He read that brilliantly.
Oh, super piece of play. And both hands on it. Good goalkeeping. Can he put it away? And the challenge, crisp and clean. The high press was on, and that's a fantastic tackle. And making headway. Well, let's see what they have in store for them on the break. Can they use their pace? The inside route looks promising. Well, dare I say it, that would have finished this as a contest once and for all.
Well, you're absolutely right. What a chance to kill the game off. He's got to hit the target there.
Pressing high up has its advantages. He cuts it back. And that's the hat-trick! Tearing apart this defence time and again. They simply can't handle him.
Well, here it is again, and how many times have we seen this in recent games? Teams trying to play out from the back, not doing it particularly well, giving away sloppy possession, and then getting punished. It's a really poor goal to concede.
Given away by Manchester United. The referee has decided that 2 additional minutes are in order. And the referee has blown for full time. Job done as far as the visitors are concerned. A win in their next match, and they will clinch the series.
Well, they were good today, Derek, and that puts them in a great position now. They just need one more solid performance.
It is a decent-looking attack here.
Todo está bien, no te tienes que estresar. A ti yo sola no te dejaré. Me enchulé la primera vez que la vi. Me enamoré cuando con ella bailé. Desde hace rato se quería pegar. Puso la espalda contra la pared. Y si yo sabes que tú, mami, se le viran los ojos. La miro y
Hello from one of the great venues in world football, the Estadio Santiago Bernabeu in Madrid. I'm Derek Ray, and keeping me company here on the commentary gantry is Stuart Robson. And coming up for you, we have best-of-5 series action. It's Real Madrid taking on Manchester United.
Well, Derek, they are within touching distance of winning the series now. A victory here, and they can claim the bragging rights. It should be a good game.
Vinicius! In it goes! An early goal! No wonder they're celebrating! Action underway once more. Let's see if United have the wherewithal to square the game. Well, they kept their shape defensively. Job done for now. she wanted to let the play flow, but in the end decided that that wasn't possible. Here's Luke Shaw. Rashford. Sancho now. United could be onto something. Mount. Giving it a try. No way through. Well, not quite what he wanted to do with the pass. Rodrigo. And under pressure, that was a fine claim. Marcus Rashford. United could get in behind the defence. He needed to get there and did, but still the possibility. Well, on a good day, that might have gone in for the equaliser.
Yeah, I agree. That was half a chance, I would say, but they still trail here.
And United have it back. You can't really tackle like that and expect to get away with it. Looking to come, you would think. And a yellow card it's going to be, Stuart.
Yeah, the ref's got that right. It's a yellow card all day long.
No problems for the keeper. And a throw in here for United. Well, the ball lost here. Vinicius Junior. Oh, he wasn't necessarily favourite to win that challenge. Winning back possession. Trying to open them up. Oh, he could finish. Oh, that was a moment of pure quality. A goal for football lovers to enjoy the world over.
Well, here it is again, and the pace in which they break forward is devastating. It's so hard to defend against, and what a great finish it is. He just lifts the ball over the keeper into the back of the net. That's a well-constructed goal.
Lisandro Martinez. Now with Rashford. And a strong tackle. Rodrigo. Rashford. Rashford! Oh, marvellous save. Great goalkeeping. Well read to put an end to that attack. Carvajal. Decent looking pass. Rashford. It was a menacing attack, but tidied up. Valverde. Can he find the right pass? Vinicius! Oh, a really crisp effort, but just wide. Mount. Real Madrid coming away with it. And there it is, a chance. And it's 2 for him today. A masterful performance. The defenders unable to stop him. Blistering first half display, and just look at that score. Well, the stoppage time situation, 1 minute here. Oh, tremendous vision. And the first half is in the history books here at the Bernabeu. And the ball rolls. rolling again after what was a dazzling first 45 from Real. Can they repeat that in the second half? He's in behind. And a goal to delight the fans. Just what they were hoping for. And this is turning into something of a rout. 4-0. Mount. And Rashford. Here's Valverde. Space for Real out wide. Oh, that's a really good run. Real defensive resilience. In it goes! He's made it a brace for himself. No stopping him, apparently. Bruno Fernandes has it. And playing it through. Oh, brilliant goalkeeping. Must be. Looked like a certain goal, but that's a great challenge.
Well, Real Madrid are looking really good today. Just look how many chances they've created. And I sense there's still more to come here.
Oh, Stuart, they might be onto something here. Cutting the ball back. There it is! A fantastic goal, and no wonder he's off celebrating.
Well, here's the replay. He's done really well to get his head up and pick somebody out with that cutback. And the finish is brilliantly taken, just guided beyond the goalkeeper. What a good goal that is.
A glut of goals. 5-1 it is. Oh, breezing past him. Oh, a finish of real class. No wonder he's celebrating. Take a bow.
Well, here's the replay. Watch how he goes past his man with such ease, and it's just a change of pace. And the finish is so clever. He just gets his toe under the ball and dinks it over the keeper. That's a lovely goal.
Given away by Manchester United. Carvajal. Now sliding in field. Valverde, real chance. Oh, off the outside of the post. And it's going to be a goal kick here. Lisandro Martinez. And effectively parried away by the keeper. Rashford. Now can they counter clinically? Alaba puts his body on the line. Well, in position to make it a brace, but not to be.
Well, he's certainly been a threat in this game. He's looked so lively.
Played over. It hasn't come to very much. Vinicius Junior. Oh, he saved it well. And over comes the corner. Very quick thinking there. Well, maybe a good position from which to counter. Chance to finish. And there it is, a goal. But will it be purely a consolation at this stage of the proceedings? They haven't been at their best.
Well, let's look at this again. And the keeper just lost his bearings there. He was never in the right position. He won't want to see that again.
Just 10 minutes remaining here. Could be. The save was a good one. to pick out a teammate. No degree of difficulty at all for the keeper. And dribbling with it, but out of play. In a decent position now. Not messing around with that clearance. He'll have a go here. And the keeper more than equal to it. And there's the delivery. Goalkeeper doing his job, getting the touch. Another corner conceded. What can they do with this one? And gobbled up with ease by the keeper. Rodrigo. Full credit. Wonderful stop. Who's going to get on the end of it? And the ball is loose. And holding on to it at the second time of asking. Well, beating his opponent. Determined defending. Well, the counter chance looks very real. Vinicius Junior. And the referee has blown for full time. And the celebrations can truly begin now. They've only gone and won the series.
Well, they deserve their success, don't they? They've been the better side over the series. They've played some really good football, and you can see how much it means to them. They've been excellent.
And doubtless the celebrations will continue long into the night for these players. This is one they most certainly will savour.
Todo está bien, no te tienes que estresar. A ti yo sola no te dejaré. Me enchulé la primera vez que la vi. Me enamoré cuando con ella bailé. Desde hace rato se quería pegar. Puso la espalda contra la pared. Y si yo sabes que tú, mami, se le viran los ojos. La miro y se él pinta labios rojos. Esa cintura suelta. Baby, si yo te subo a la altura, tú dime y te recojo. Ella a manejar me dejó. Siempre se va a sentir cuando un lugar llegue yo. Yo estaba desde que era menor. Por foto se ve bien, pero de frente mejor. Se dio un más del me pidió pausa cuando iba por el quinto. Le di una vuelta por el barrio con la quinco. Ellos cuando me ven de frente quedan trinco. Sola la hace, sola la paga. A la que se apaga. Está llamando mi atención porque quiere que le tú, mami, se le viran los ojos. La miro y se él pinta labios rojos. Esa cintura suelta. Baby, si yo te subo a la altura, tú dime y te recojo. Cuando algo está para ti es inevitable, bebé, tus ganas son notables. Vamos, como si no hubiese ni televisor ni cable. Esa mirada es la culpable, no están mirando, vámonos. Medio no lo pienses mucho y por su cara se ve que se... Los vecinos mirando y el balcón abrió. A mí me encanta cuando pone cara de mala. Me rellena los... Hasta de él. La sala estaba enfocado en... Yo, tú, mí. Cuando yo... Siempre me pide. Yo nunca paro. Y a ella le gusta él. La tengo loca con él. Son las cuando mirándola yo
bleeding, my dreaming. I take a waste within my hand. And when I wake, she melts away into the sand. What meaning of this feeling? Why'd you return into the world with distant hearts? We separate across the blades of glowing grass. I see you, the same eyes, reflect the world that falls apart. There's a fire in my heart, 'cause this faith is all I have. This faith is all I have. Despite the brick walls, the ceiling, up here I'm freer than the bird. We soar above the broken earth. The train line in Seaforth, we sit